and take half a cup of heavy whipping cream, and then I should probably go grab something to mix it with. That was a lot of work. It was like just 5 minutes of constant whipping this because I couldn't find my thing to do it, but it's fine. Hello. And now we're gonna set up our cup here. So then you just pour your milk in your cup. How much you want to bet I'm gonna spill this? Oh. This is basically just strawberry whipped cream at this point. I'm gonna mix this. Well, it doesn't look too pretty, but it tastes alright. I had to add more sugar to it though, because that little tiny 2 scoops of powder was not enough. So yeah, I guess that's how you make it. Basically just homemade whipped cream with some strawberry flavoring in it. I love how I used heavy whipping cream and then lactose-free milk. This is gonna make my stomach hurt. Yay! Okay.